Hello everyone, welcome back to my coding place. Today we're going to be learning how to create a fly catching game on Scratch Junior. So the first step is I want you to hover over your mouse over the blue sprite, and you should see an X symbol, and I want you to click that X symbol to remove the sprite. Now on the top of your screen you should see a background button, and I want you to click that, and then I want you to find the jungle background. Once you found it, you can click the check mark. Okay, so now we need some sprites. So on the left hand side, you see the plus symbol, and I want you to click that, and I want you to find the fly sprite. So once you found it, I want you to click the check mark, and then I want you to find another sprite. So add the plus symbol till you can add another sprite. Once you found it, I want you to press the paintbrush on the right hand side so we can change the color. Make sure that the paintbrush tool or the paint bucket tool is selected. Once that's selected, you can choose any color you would like so that you can fill in the fly. So just press inside the fly sprite to change its color. You can press the check mark, and now I want you to move your flies on the left hand side, and I want you to place them above each other, not directly on top of each other or below each other. Okay, so now I want you to find another fly. So click the fly, and then I want you to change its color again. This time I chose red. Okay, so now we're gonna move the fly below the blue one, and we're gonna need one more fly. So as you can see on the top, we already have our fly sprite, so you can just click one of those and change its color again. So once you move that fly below the red one, we're going to find another sprite. So go ahead and find another sprite, and we're going to find a frog. So once you found the frog, I want you to move it below all the flies, so you can move your flies accordingly. I'm moving them a little bit closer to the top left hand side, and then I'm placing the frog below the purple fly. So now that all your sprites are moved accordingly, I want you to make sure that the first fly is selected, because now we're going to begin coding. So on the bottom half of your screen, you see different colored blocks, and this is going to help us tell our sprites what to do. So we're going to first start off with the green flag, and then I want you to go to the blue blocks and find your motion. So I want you to find the right symbol and the left symbol, and I want you to copy the numbers on the screen, which are 9 and 3. And so after that, I want you to go to the red block and find the forever symbol. This means that the code or the flies are going to go right and left forever. And now we're going to find or do another code for the flies. So I want you to go to the yellow block and find the two people touching each other. And then I want you to go to the orange and find the guy that looks like he's running really fast. And then I want you to go to the motion blocks, which are the blue ones, and find the circle motion. And I want you to press 12 for that. And then I want you to go to the purple blocks and find the guy that is disappeared. So now I want you to repeat these code for the rest. So now I'm going to explain what the code means while you're duplicating the code for the rest of the flies. Your instructor should help you. So what the code means is when the green flag is pressed, the flies are going to go right and left 9 and 3 times forever. And with the second code, whenever the fly touches something, it's going to go really fast. That's what the orange button means. And it's going to go in a circle motion to the right 12 times. That's what the blue block means. And then since it touched something, we're going to make it disappear. So that's what the purple block means. And so now you understand what the code means. So we're going to be moving on to the frog and we're going to code something there. So once you have finished coding your fourth fly, on the left hand side, I want you to scroll through your sprites and I want you to find your frog. Once you found your frog, I want you to click on him because we're going to be coding there. Okay, to begin with, I want you to choose the yellow block and I want you to find the green flag. From there, we're going to add some motion to him. So we're going to go to the blue blocks and make him go right. We're going to make him go right 18 times. And then we're going to make him go left 18 times as well. And then we're going to make this go on forever, so we need the red block forever button. And now we're going to choose a different yellow block, which is the press block, and add a motion for him to go up 14 times. And this means that whenever you click on that yellow block where it has the pointer finger over the person, the frog is going to go up 14 times. So now we're ready for our fly catching game and we're going to play it now. So in the middle of your screen towards the top, you should see a button where you're going to expand your screen. I'm going to go back again so you can see it. It's this button that I'm showing you right here. So once you click that, you can go ahead and click the green flag. As you can see, the sprites are programmed to go left and right. But now I want the frog to go and get the flies. So press on that yellow block. And we're going to try to get the frog to touch the flies. And as you can see, once the frog touches the flies spin out of the screen and disappear. So it's kind of like a game. So we're trying to catch the flies. So I hope you had a great time here and enjoyed this fun fly catching game. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.